Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. If x minus y into e power x by x minus y equal to a, then prove that y into dy by dx plus x equals to 2y. So we have to prove that y into dy by dx plus x equals to 2y. So we'll write down what is given to us, that is x minus y into e power x by x minus y equal to a. We see that in the proof what we have to show, there is no constant term a. That means we don't need a. So we will take it as uv and try to simplify that. So if you take u is x minus y, then it will be x minus y into derivative of e power x by x minus y will be e power x by x minus y. Then we have to do derivative of x by x minus y plus e power x by x minus y. Next time that is taken as constant, that is uv dash plus v into u dash, that is x minus y derivative equal to 0. Let's go to the next step. In the next step we will have that's equal to x minus y into e power x by x minus y into, now this is in the form of u by v, so we will have x minus y whole square, v square, v into, that is x minus y into derivative of x is 1 minus x into derivative of x minus y is 1 minus y1 plus e power x by x minus y into x minus y derivative is 1 minus y1 equal to 0. Let me repeat this step. We have x minus y into e power x by x minus y, then we have x by x minus y dash, that is u by v, we did that. After that we have u into v dash plus v into u dash, x minus y derivative will be 1 minus y1. Now you can see that e power x by x minus y, we can take it as common. Then what is left out is, let's try to simplify that. In the next step we will have x minus y will cancel in this one time, so we will have x minus y by x minus y minus x into 1 minus y1 divided by x minus y plus 1 minus y1 is equal to 0. Now what we'll try to do, we see 1 minus y1 two terms, so we'll try to separate y1 to one side and x and y to other side. Let's try to simplify y1 terms and y terms. For that we'll simplify what we have here. We will have x minus y by x minus y is 1 minus 1 minus y1 I can take common, then I will have x by x minus y, that is minus x if I take plus there, then I will have minus x by x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Or can I write down 1 equal to 1 minus y1 into, we simplify this, we will have x into x by x minus y minus 1 when we go to the other side, or can we write it as, taking LCM, we can write it as x minus y is equal to 1 minus y1 into x minus x plus y. X and x will cancel. We will have x minus y is equal to y minus yy1, or can we write down yy1 plus x is equal to 2y. That is what we need to prove. We have to prove that yy1 plus x is equal to 2y. So this yy1 will come to this side. X is here only. This y will go that side. We will have yy1 plus x equals to 2y. Let's recap what we have done in this. We have been given x minus y into e power x by x minus y equal to a. We have to prove yy1 plus x equals to 2y. We see that we don't need a in the answer, so we try to differentiate, take it as uv formula so that this will become 0. Then we understood that we can take e power x by x minus y as common. After that we manipulated it, kept y1 terms on one side and y terms are one side, or we just simplified it and we found out that yy1 plus x equals to 2y.